Hi, my name is Lauren Ratterman. I am a second year. My major is hospitality management, and this is my website. So, for a little overview, I have a post about the course summary. I have an About Me page that discusses who I am, a little bit more about me, and then I have another page talking about organization with technology. So, let's jump on in. We'll start on this page. The three technologies that I picked were Trello, Study Manager, and OneNote. Trello is an awesome website that you can use. It can also be an app where you can create your own board with your own cards on it, leaving notes, reminders. You can set deadlines. You can make a checklist. And one of the best things about this website is that you're able to move the cards around in case plans change. And you're also allowed to share it with others, ask people to join your board so you can collaborate together. Study Manager is an app that you can get, and basically this app reminds you when it's time to study. You can set a time and a date and also a place. You can set the duration of the study period and what you'd be studying, and it reminds you when it's time to study, and it also leaves a little checkpoint in the middle asking you how it's going, what's distracting you, how you feel, so you can kind of manage how your studying is going and you can become more efficient. And lastly, my last technology that helps me stay organized is OneNote. This is an awesome tool to use. You can organize it by colors, you can create a bunch of different subnotes. It's really easy and accessible. It can hold a lot of information. It has a lot of personable tools to make it perfect for you. Moving on, we will go to the About Me page. This page, like I said, is just about me. What I already stated is that I'm a second year here studying hospitality management, and I have a minor in business. I am from Cincinnati, Ohio, but I am planning on staying in Columbus for the next few years. Finishing out college and hopefully getting a job. And lastly, my post about my course summary about this class and my three main takeaways. The first one is learning about the variety of study tools available for me. I am not a big tech geek. I don't really use technology. I'm very old school, but this class has really opened the door, and now I actually do use Trello and OneNote to help me stay organized throughout all my classes. My second takeaway is how I was able to learn through my peers in discussion posts, because even though we learned just a couple different technology tools, there was a lot of ideas put in the discussion posts that I learned about, and it was really cool to go above and beyond what this class was able to give me. And lastly, learning about how to deal with conflicts in groups throughout college. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I have a lot of group projects with people I just met, and being able to handle those, handling issues and conflicts, people I don't know, in the proper way so no one can be upset or offended. That is really awesome to learn about. So yeah, this is my page, and I hope you enjoyed my quick little video.